Hi, welcome back to DIY Cheap Daily. Today I'm working on a very old Genie garage opener. The problem is the light, they won't turn it off. It's supposed to turn off after 15 minutes or something, but now it won't turn off. I tried using not LED light, the regular light bulb. It doesn't matter because it worked before when I use anything LED or non-LED or any type of light bulb. It worked. But recently, it happened more often when I try to go to the garage halfway. I change my mind and go it back up, and somehow it seems like this triggered that. But it used to be an easy fix because all I have to do is unplug the wire over there for like 15 minutes, half an hour, then somehow it reset it. But now it won't. Last time I fixed it is I leave it for a couple days or a week, and eventually everything back to normal. But it has to be a better way. It has to be something is wrong inside the circuit board or the relay or something like that. Make that happen like this. So please stay tuned. Okay, so right now what I did is I'm going to unplug it and wait 15 minutes and see whether this works. But I tried it before, it didn't work. Maybe I need to put it out much longer than 15 minutes. So I'm going to simulate the garage door opening. So there's some vibration and it's supposed to have some motion sensor motion going on. So this is how you will start. I just moved it a little bit. So the garage opener is open, so this light will be turned on, and eventually you will turn off in 1 minute. So rather than buying the circuit board, which cost me at least 80 to 100 bucks, rather than buying the relay, cost me right now is about $5 each piece and $5 for shipping. And rather than messing around the whole thing, garage opener, the chain, the 2 remote control I have, everything is working except the light is not turned on. So I would rather just get one of these motion sensor light bulb and see how it goes. So if I have to change it with the garage opener, I change it, but for now I'm going to use this and see how it works. So this is supposed to turn off in about 1 minute last time. I benchmarked it. So I'm not going to touch the garage opener now. So I'm just using this light bulb. And if I have time, I revisit that situation. Right now I'm just waiting for it to turn off. But if you want, you can disconnect the power on the garage opener for a couple hours to a day to a few days, and it actually should reset itself but try not to open the garage opener halfway and shut it down. When they're going down halfway, shut it down, or when they're going up halfway, shut it down. That is cause my light bulb always turn on. Now we can see this probably work because it turned off in about 1 minute. So next day or wherever, next time you go out to the garage, your garage opener is going to turn on because there's one vibration and there's some light from the outside and so forth. So this light bulb will turn on, and eventually 1 minute later you will turn off. So this should work in my case, instead of changing the garage, the whole garage door opener just because the light don't turn off. So this is much simpler. And since the garage opener is pretty old, at least 30 years old, eventually I may need a new one because the part is not available. So I'm not going to spend money on the circuit board, the relay, and have to messing around with the two remote and doing reinstallation, all those trouble just because of the light don't turn off. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. This is about 12 or 15 bucks in Amazon, and I test both of them. They work as designed. So the motion sensor is right here. So when I put it up to the garage opener, I'm not going to put the cover, because based on the instruction, you're not supposed to have something cover it. So you make it more sensitive, I believe. So for my garage opener, you're able to reset within a day. The longest one I think is a few days after I unplug the power cord over there. But if your lever turn off, your light bulb lever turn off, but everything is working, I think the simple solution is get one of this light bulb, which is have a motion sensor on top, and I'm going to change it and don't put the cover on, because according to the instruction they want more motion sensor detection in the front. So I will try it and see how it works. I may put it back, I may not put it back. It depends how sensitive that is. But the bottom line is you can solve it by getting one of this. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you so much for watching. And you will turn up in about 1 minute if no one is moving around the garage. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment.